The next algorithm that we are going to build is a crucial one. It is called Fibonacci, and it is pretty cool. If you are not familiar with Fibonacci, it is simply a special sequence of numbers called the Fibonacci sequence. The sequence is as follows. The first two numbers in the sequence are 1 and 1, and every number after that is the sum of the previous two numbers. So after 1 and 1, the sequence continues with 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, then 13, and so on. Every number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like a great use case for recursion, and you would be right. Our algorithm will heavily rely on recursion, which is good. More practice with recursion will help us to get a better grasp on how recursion works and when it is appropriate to use recursion. We will be building out an algorithm called Fibonacci, and it will take in a number called position as a parameter. This position will indicate which number from the Fibonacci sequence we want returned to us. And all we want to do is return that number. So, for example, if we pass in the position of 4, we should expect the number 3 returned to us because the fourth number in the Fibonacci sequence is 3. If we pass in the number 9 as the position, we should expect the number 34 returned to us, since the 9th number in the Fibonacci sequence is 34. And that is it. That is how our Fibonacci algorithm works. If you want to try and code out this algorithm before we go over a solution to it in the next video, that would be great. I will give you a couple of hints. One hint is that it takes very, very little code to write out this algorithm. And a second hint is that since this algorithm will be recursive, we know that it will have a base case. The base case for this algorithm has something to do with the fact that the first two numbers in the Fibonacci sequence are 1 and 1. Good luck building out this algorithm. If you have trouble with it, don't worry. We are still only scratching the surface of recursion and will become more comfortable with it as we move on. See you in the next video.